Leatataopulematumua Puailoa ainga I te tai ma le wa'ao o ni ti. Contestant na vete Puailoa. O a'u o le lupe wa'alele.
Samoa
Brown like a paper bag containing panqueques and papapalawas of which my people consume. I am a dropout. I can't stand reading, writing, improvising, but I'm addicted to Facebooking, hashtagging, Instagramming, and texting. Did I mention dancing? Beyonce. All the single ladies. Now I am stuck trying to scrub away the dirt that I've added to the Brown statistic. While my mother, got and my father, Brown sister, I've missed you. I'm here for you. Are we not capable of breaking free? Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. See, God probably didn't speak, just speak. Are we not capable of a revolution that is thought-provoking or seen as a form of intelligence? Or are we still going to keep to our low standards of what we feel is culturally relevant?
Your question is, sexual abuse victims face a lot of challenges within our community. As an ambassador, how would you help these victims regain their confidence and be a better person?
It is definitely a privilege, a blessing for American Samoa to have this powerful coalition called the Coalition Against Domestic Violence and Sexual Abuse right here in our island. I am proud as American Samoa this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, it would be an honor, a privilege if anything, for me to serve our people of American Samoa, to work together with the Coalition of Domestic Violence and Sexual Abuse, serving everyone who's a victim, and letting them know your voice is